How to download uTorrent on Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, I will guide you how you can download uTorrent on Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to open up a browser in your device. After you open it up, navigate to search bar, then type in download uTorrent. From the search results, you can head over to the first link. So once you land on this kind of interface, scroll down and find the section that says uTorrent Classic. From here, you have to click on free download button. So click on free download. After that, the uTorrent installer will be downloaded in your device. So you have to open the installer file. So head over to the downloads on your browser, click on the installer file and open it up. Now you have to follow the on-screen instructions to install and set up the uTorrent in your Windows 11. So follow the instructions carefully, click on next, and then set it up or install uTorrent in your device. Once you complete the process, the uTorrent will be successfully installed in your Windows 11. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.